Click on the link below to get price. The Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500 is a versatile and innovative power solution designed for various applications, whether for home backup during outages, recreational use during camping trips, or for on-the-go energy needs. With its tri-fuel capability, this generator allows users to operate it on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, providing flexibility and convenience depending on the available fuel source. One of the standout features of the SOLIX Smart Generator 5500 is its robust output of 5,500 watts, which can effectively power multiple devices simultaneously. This output makes it suitable for running essential appliances like refrigerators, lights, and heating systems, ensuring comfort and functionality during power interruptions. The generator is designed with portability in mind, weighing in at a manageable weight, allowing users to transport it to various locations with relative ease. Additionally, its compact design means it can fit into smaller spaces, making it an ideal choice for those with limited storage options. The generator also boasts a range of advanced features that enhance its usability. The integrated C300 smart control unit allows for remote monitoring and management of the generator via a mobile app. This feature provides users with real-time information about power consumption and remaining fuel levels, making it easier to manage energy usage effectively. Moreover, the generator incorporates a user-friendly interface with clear display indicators that facilitate monitoring performance and making adjustments when necessary. Operating the Anker SOLIX is straightforward. Users can select their preferred fuel type and follow the step-by-step instructions for setting up and starting the generator. Its quiet operation is another noteworthy aspect, as it minimizes noise pollution, making it suitable for use in residential areas or during community events. In terms of maintenance, the generator's design allows for easy access to essential components, ensuring that routine checks and servicing can be performed without undue complexity. This feature is particularly important for users who may not have extensive experience with generator maintenance. In conclusion, the Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500 presents a well-rounded option for those seeking a reliable and flexible power source. With its tri-fuel capability, smart features, and ease of use, it is a practical choice for various situations, from home emergencies to outdoor adventures.